Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Independence Day and I am taking you along for another day in my life at Google. I started my morning as usual, getting ready, taking a cab to office. So there's something about going to work on a day like Independence Day that just feels a little different. As soon as I reached office, we had our Independence Day flag hoisting. I'm not going to lie, it was actually a really nice way to start the day. And there's something about seeing the Indian flag being hoisted, hearing the national anthem, and seeing everyone around you come together that just hits differently. Anyway, after the ceremony, it was time for the most important part of the morning breakfast. So I headed over to grab some breakfast. I'll quickly show you guys what I had. And because it was Independence Day, the entire campus had these little festive touches everywhere. There were beautiful rangolis at the entrance. The decorations were all Independence Day themed. And once breakfast was done, I started my work day. I started at Kyoto East and headed over to Kyoto West. And if you'll watch my previous office vlogs, you'll probably know that I keep moving around the campus depending on where I want to work from. And honestly, one of my favorite things about working from a campus like this is that you don't necessarily have to sit at the same place the entire day. So I settled down, opened my laptop, and got started with work. There were few meetings and a lot of things to get through, and basically just a regular work day. I decided to take a little walk around the campus. I think this has become one of my favorite little things to do during a workday. Just stepping away from the desk for a few minutes, walking around, and getting some fresh air, and then coming back with a slightly clearer head. And finally, after getting through the workday, it was time for something I was definitely looking forward to TGID snacks. It was Thursday, and third Thursdays are always special here, so you already know we had to make the most of it. I grabbed some snacks, spent some time around the office, and honestly, it was a really nice way to end the day. I think what made this day a little more special was that it was Independence Day themed. When I was younger, Independence Day was mostly about going to school, wearing something related to the tricolor, watching the flag hoisting ceremony, and singing the national anthem. And now, years later, I am celebrating Independence Day at my workplace in a city that I moved to build a life of my own. And sometimes you get so caught up in work, meetings, deadlines, and everything else happening in life that you forget to actually look back and appreciate how far you have come. And days like this make me do that. I feel really grateful for the opportunities I've had, for the life I've been able to build, and for the fact that I get to experience moments like these. And with that, my Independence Day at office comes to an end. I packed up, left the office, got back into my cab, and now I'm heading back home after what was honestly a pretty wholesome day. So, yeah, that was another day in my life at Google, this time with a little Independence Day twist. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me, and wherever you are, I hope you had a wonderful Independence Day too. Happy Independence Day!